Hello everyone, I am Oluwapelumi Aroshaye, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Excel to connect to the data you have in the Fabric Lakehouse. So as you can see on my screen, so I have a workspace in my Fabric environment called db_learning, and then you see the fabric item I have there. So I want to be able to connect to the data I have in this lakehouse. So I'm going to select db_lakehouse for instance, and then that is going to load the lakehouse for me. So now you can see in my lakehouse, I have two tables, GL_printout and modeling. So let's say for example that I want to get this table, which is GL_printout. So this video will show you how you can use Microsoft Excel to get this table from your Fabric Lakehouse. So if I head over back to my Excel, so how do I do that? So I come to the data tab here, and then I come to get data, and under get data I'll see from Fabric and Power Platform, and there I have different items, and but I'm going to select the first one, which is from Lakehouse. So when I select Lakehouse, yeah, so and then I would select the workspace I want to get my lakehouse, which is db_learning. So I'm just going to open that, and then I'll see the lakehouse. So I'm going to open the lakehouse to see the different tables that I want to connect to. So you can see I have GL printout and I have modeling, but I only want to connect to this one, which is GL printout. And under here I have three options: load, transform data, and cancel. So transform data basically is to take it to Power Query to do some transformation to your data. So I'll not be doing that. And then load, you see this drop down, you have two options, load and load to. So load basically would load the data to Excel where you can see it at least into a worksheet. While load to would help you, okay, you want to maybe load it to data model, you want to create relationship between the table. So if you had selecting more than one table, it will automatically load it to data model for you where you can create relationship. But in this case I really want to do it, I really want to take this table, which is gl_printout. So I'm just going to click on only load so I can see the data in Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, I have the data here in Microsoft Excel. So and then I can go on to do my reporting in here if I want to by using pivot tables. I can just go to insert pivot table from table or range, and then I want I can choose existing because I have a sheet one here. So I'll go to existing, and then I'll select this, and then I do OK, and then I can start to create my report. So this is how you can use Microsoft Excel to connect to the data you have in your Fabric Lakehouse. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.